Hi everyone, I'm Dustin from Mazama Wellness, and in this video I'm talking about how to structure an efficient and effective workout plan. For almost all my clients' workouts as well as my own, I use a circuit training structure, which I found to be the best for most people. It offers the widest variety of benefits, things like improved strength and hypertrophy, better cardiorespiratory and metabolic fitness, and increased anaerobic capacity. I found in my years of training clients that this is the ideal structure and that most people find it the most enjoyable because of the nice variety of exercises that you move through. So let's talk about what this looks like. A typical workout will be 3 circuits of 3 exercises. Each circuit will have 3 rounds, so this means a total of 9 different exercises for the workout. Each exercise in a circuit will work different muscle groups, which allows the exercises to be performed consecutively without overworking a given muscle group. If we look at the workout number 1 template, you'll see that the first circuit is comprised of a squat, lunge, or step up, so primarily working the quads and glutes, a horizontal push, so working chest, shoulders, and triceps, and a horizontal pull, so working the lats, biceps, and other back muscles. The second circuit is comprised of a hinge or knee flexion movement, so working the hamstrings and glutes, a vertical push or pull, so working the shoulders and triceps or lats and biceps, depending on whether it's a push or pull. And the last exercise is supine core work, so something like a hollow hold or a dead bug, working the abs. The last circuit consists of lateral movement like a lateral lunge or a dynamic movement like a ball slam. Lateral movements are important for working the frontal plane and reinforcing those movement patterns. Dynamic movements are good for athleticism. You also have some prone and lateral core work to finish off the circuit, which work the abdominals as well. As you'll notice, if you look at workout number 2 for the week, the push and pull exercises switch to vertical, so you're getting some of those each week. This workout template gives a well-rounded strength workout in a succinct amount of time. A workout like this will usually take around 1 hour with 1-minute rests between rounds and circuits. These workouts can always be shortened by taking out a circuit and maybe redistributing an exercise or 2 to another circuit. So that's the general workout template. As far as a weekly schedule, I recommend strength training 2 or 3 days a week. Since my programs are always full body, workout like Monday and Thursday or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and this will give you enough time between workouts for muscle protein synthesis to complete. Here is an example of a 2-day-a-week schedule, so please pause the video to take that in. Here's an example of a 3-day-a-week schedule. Again, pause the video to get it all in. You'll notice there's not much difference between the two, except that some of the vertical and horizontal forms of exercises are distributed on alternating workouts. Now, of course, the schedule doesn't need to be super rigid, and sometimes for exercise C1, I'll do some front squats, or for C3, I'll do some face pulls. So this should be seen as a general structure to use in order to make sure you're getting a well-rounded program throughout the week. But feel free to add in some specific things you want to work on. You can definitely individualize these templates. So if we zoom out to what the month looks like, it'll just be 4 of the weekly cycles that we'll go through, and then those will change when a new monthly cycle starts. Each week we'll try to add some weight or reps or range of motion or slow down the tempo or add pauses, something to add a challenge. Remember, progressive overload is necessary to improve the benefits of strength training. Make sure to watch the progressive overload video if you haven't already. So every week, try to add something. It doesn't have to be to every exercise for every workout because that might be too much, but at least for 1 or 2 of the exercises of a workout, you should add something in order to increase the challenge. So the takeaway here is that circuit training is efficient and effective, and in my opinion, the best strength training structure for most people for whom fitness and longevity are the goal. If you're a bodybuilder or a power lifter, you'll structure your workouts differently. But if you're someone looking to get stronger, move well, and feel good, then circuit training is the best way to do it. Use the template linked below to structure a workout that helps you get the most out of the time you have for training. Please leave any questions or comments below, and be sure to check out our website and our Substack for more good stuff.